Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Like always, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Also, make sure to follow me on Facebook at Mello'z Nails and Instagram at Mello'z_nails. Thanks guys. Okay, in today's video, I am doing another UR Sugar gel review. In the last video I did, I told you guys I had some more that I wanted to review, so this is that second set. These are also nudes, but they have more pinks, I think, in this one than in the last one. But these are pretty much the same. They're, you know, I like the consistency. I really like the idea of them being in a pot. The only thing I didn't like was that the tops, they're hard, the foil part, it's hard to come off. So you have to cut into it and peel and it gets messy. But other than that, I really like these. So in this video, you're gonna see me just swatch each color. The first, I do one coat and then I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And then I come back and do a second coat and I cure that for 60 seconds. So it fully cures everything. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do the swatches on these, and then I'll come back at the end and close out the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. Oh, also, I missed a couple of these. I think I got a phone call in between, and after the phone call I forgot to hit record again, so I missed out on doing a couple of the colors, but I figured you could still see them anyway, so I figured it would still be okay. So sorry about that guys, but you'll see them all in the end too, so make sure to watch till the end. Okay, I also forgot to mention here, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm using a different brush. That first brush that I used, I don't remember where I got that brush from, but after doing a couple of nails, for some reason the bristles kept pushing themselves up inside the brush, and afterwards they started coming out. So I was like, okay, this brush needs to be thrown away. So I had to switch back to my alpha brush that I used in the last video. So you can see that here. And also I'll put a link in the cards to the last video that I did, so you guys can check that one out as well. Okay. Okay guys, so I am back. I have already swatched all the colors, and now you see me going in with just a regular alcohol wipe, and I wiped them all down. And this time I wanted to do something different. I wanted to see how these would look with matte top coat. So I went ahead and top coated, cured for 60 seconds, and here's the final look of all the colors. I hope you guys like these. I really like these You Are Sugar pots. I would buy them again. Definitely I would buy more because they're really good. They have a lot of color choices and I really like them. But anyways guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.